Becky here at Amber Marie and Company. Bow Wednesday again. So let's see what kind of fun we can have today. I've done something fun and summery. So look what I chose. Look at this fun green stripe, beautiful blue and green plaid, and look at this fun little daisy. You could use this combination on a wreath on your door. Again, you know, we've done lanterns before, lanterns or the backyard patio. She's got a lot of application for summertime. Let's make a bow. I love this green. I love a stripe. Give me a stripe any day. I love it in red. I love it in black. Pink. Wouldn't that be great? Hot pink. I just love it. It just adds so much interest to a bow. Since I'm using just 2.5-inch ribbons, let's do 4 loops. So she has enough visual bigness. Again, checking my loop size. She's a little too long. Bring her in. Once you get them all that way, then give them your good poof. Bounce on them. Okay. So look at this fun one. I think this is fun. Picking up that green. I'm not going to get crazy with this bow. I'm just going to do 2 loops. I'm going to really let that stripe shine and let this be a fun accent piece. Loop number 2. Yay. See, look, I forgot to put that second tail in there. Okay, no big deal. Go back and add it. Let's add our second tail of the plaid. Look at this cute thing. How cute. And my skinny 1-inchers, I usually like to do 3 loops, as you know. Look at the back, it's gingham. How cute. These ribbons are always giving you a surprise. Again, quality of ribbon, not only in performance, but visually. They're going to last for years if you take care of them. So I always think 3 is good. I mean, I've got a good balance just by using the 2 loops, 1 loop, and then throw in an odd number up here. And it just kind of breaks up that formality. Let's go ahead and add a second tail. Again, I like to make those little streamers a little bit longer. Dance it up here in the bow. Let's go bring that stripe back up here in the middle. Cut her off, and remember, I like my little bumps up here to have a little shorter tails because I don't want that big, longer tail kind of covering all that up. She's just an accent piece. Zip ties. Do you all have any big fun family reunion plans? Any garden parties? You need some bows on things? Come see me, we'll get you fixed up. One more. I think we're ready to, let's get her kind of situated now. Putting all their little bounce in their bow loops. I love hearing from you guys. Remember, come see me. I'm here at Amber Marie and Company, 91st and Yale.